What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be playing with some mini rock crawlers, so stay tuned. So what do we got going on today, dude?
Rock crawlers!
Yeah, so here they are. We have the new 24th scale Axial mini rock crawlers. It's the SCX24. Comes with remotes. It's RTR. These things are pretty sweet. Show me yours. Which one's yours?
This one's mine.
That's the one you picked out?
The headlights right here. And actually turn on.
Yeah, they turn on.
That's on my dad's too.
Yeah, so what are we going to do today? I think we are going to make a track or a course, right?
Uh-huh.
We're going to go in the backyard, see if we could find some sticks, some rocks.
We already did too.
Yeah, we found a little bit now. We're going to go find some more. And we're going to show everybody how we're making our course.
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yeah.
So should we just jump in it and get to it?
Let's jump into it.
And then we'll show them how we're building our course, and then we'll play with the crawlers in the backyard. What do you think, dude?
Should we show your rock crawler?
Oh, you want to show mine? Here it is. They
Here's
saw it. There it is. Yep, so this one's mine.
Should I show?
They're pretty much the same. They're just different colors. And this one has chrome, black wheels. This green one also comes with a chrome light bar. I forget what you call that, roll bar or whatever you want to call it. But they're pretty similar. But that's the one Carson likes, and that's the one he picked out. And this is the one I picked out. And we've been playing with them in the house, and now it's a nice day, so we're gonna make a little track and see how these things do in the wild, right? Like the real elements. You ready? Okay, let's do this.
Let's do this track.
All right, let's go ahead and show them everything that we've collected so far, and then yeah, we'll keep collecting some stuff. But look at here. Show them what we got. We got some rocks.
We got some rocks.
We got some sticks so far. And then we also found
some...
What do we got right here? A log.
A log.
So the plan is we have this little area here. So I don't know, it's probably, we're working with maybe about 8 feet by about 4 feet. And there's a good like 2.5 to 3 foot elevation from here to here. You can't really tell in the video, but we're gonna take our sticks, and we got some branches over here also that we'll break up and make some cool logs and stuff like that. This is all dug out a little bit, but we'll go ahead and dig some things out, use this log over here, and let's just see what we get and come up with. So let's go around the yard, pick up some more rocks. Let's go to the front yard, get some rocks, and I think we could start working on the course. Yeah?
Yeah.
You don't have to record me, I'm recording you. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, go pick up, find some rocks, and
Okay, there's no in the front yard. Okay.
yeah, see, so we got some good rocks here. You want to hand me some?
Here.
Whoa, big one.
Yes.
Keep handing me some.
Okay. This one is super.
A few moments later.
What happened?
What? Oh, the batteries are charged.
Yeah!
But you know what? Our course isn't done yet. Let's go put together a short course, a really quick one, so we can play with it real quick, okay?
Yes.
Eventually.
So here's our track. We gotta crawl over these. No. We have to go over these. No, over this rod to these rods right here. Go all the way
Over there.
to there.
And we got some crawling over there. We got the log and some rocks over here. We got a little bit of logs. But we got a little anxious because it's going to be dark pretty soon. And we just want to play with it. So we're going to add to it as we go. But let's go get the crawlers and start playing with them. Let's test them out. Okay, let's see you conquer the... Oh, look at that. That's too easy, huh? Oh, spoke too soon. Oh, got him. Nice. Dang, dude, you're like a professional. Nope, you can't help it. That's cheating.
I can't. I can't.
Nope, you're cheating.
No, I wasn't.
That was pretty cool. All right, my turn.
That was easy. Hurry up, bud.
I'm trying to go slow.
Mine's still on a rock.
Okay, you gotta wait your turn.
Hurry. Hurry up. Can you please
I can't do it with you right on my back. You gotta back up. You got a branch in your thing.
Oh, yeah. What? No, I don't. Just push it.
I need some extra boost. Oh, no. Oh, I didn't make it. I died. Oh, it's way easier coming the other direction.
Uh-huh. Just that up. Now just go full blast at it. Can I give it a go? That was nothing. I couldn't even go because I'm cut. I was cut on the rock. Almost got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh, there's you.
Oh, no.
Oh, there. Oh, that was easy.
One eternity later.
All right, so it's been a couple weeks, right? And we've got some new toys and we've been working on the track, right? Should we go out and show them what we've done to the track so far? Yeah? All right, let's go. So as you guys saw, this is our little rock crawler for our minis. But what did we get? We got bigger crawlers. We got 1/10 scale and we started playing with this. We got a little rock climbing there, and then we got a little bridge here, and then we got the logs. You want to go show them our new toys? Let's go. All right, so first off, we'll show your new toy. What is it?
It's a Jeep rock crawler. And
It's
it
a-
has these two light bars.
Yeah, dude.
And it's waterproof.
It's the Axial 110 scale. It's the deadbolt
It's
SCX
And
10
it changes its head.
2. Change his head to the motocross guy. What do you think about it? Is it pretty fun?
Pretty fun.
Yeah? Alright, let's show off Dad's. You want to show Dad's off?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab it. I'll take this, put it on the shelf, and I'll bring it right back.
Okay. Here's yours, and it has a windshield wiper.
Here it
with a
is.
Person
Yeah, we got
with the cowboy hat.
the cowboy guy in there. This is SCX10 3. This has got the portals on it.
Wait.
It's fully set up.
Hit away.
It's completely stock right now. The body is just sitting on there, so that's why it might look a little bit weird. But who's coming over?
Alex and Amber.
Alex and Amber's coming over. They're gonna bring their rock crawlers, and we're gonna play around with some RCs. So what we just did is we put some mounts on the remotes, on our radio remotes, to see if that helps capture some of our rock crawling, and we're gonna do some bashing with our faster cars. So let's go ahead, wait for them to show up,
Yeah.
and then we'll play with some RCs. Yeah. It's all right. Just got to get a little head start, I think. It's freezing out here, dude.
Hold up. How is it? Wow, there's nothing.
I made it. I made the whole course. It's so cold out here. Oh my god. You just gotta bump it a little bit. There you go. Oh no, you're screwed now.
Oh, I'm in your way. Sorry. What?
Oh no, I'm in the same boat. Too icy. Okay, I need your help now, Alex.
2 hours later.
Oh, that looks like it'll work. Okay, let's test it out. Let's see it. Oh, head-on collision. Okay, Carson, watch out. He's gonna try to jump it. Oh, nice. Here you go. Oh, 2S power. Nice. Watch. Whoa, nice.
Two, three, go.
It looks like it's just like on water.
I know.
My turning radius sucks. Look at that. Well, sick. Riding a wheelie, bro.